We spend a lot of time online, but did you know that every day hackers are looking for ways to steal your personal data? It's scary, right? But don't worry, there are some simple steps that you can take to protect yourself. So let's talk about the best cybersecurity domains that can keep you safe online. So first, we have secure DNS, which is great for blocking harmful websites. The second is Cloudflare, which helps protect your internet connection, making it hard for hackers to spy on you. The third is that you should use VPNs like NordVPN to hide your online activity. The fourth is two-factor authentication, which is super important for extra protection on your accounts. And lastly, try Bitdefender for protecting your devices from viruses. Now, these tools are easy to use and can help you to feel safe on the internet. Cybersecurity is important because without it, anyone could sneak into your online world. So take action, protect yourself today. If you want more tips and tricks to stay safe online, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you soon. Love ya.